Hi, my name is Jessie Gonzalez and I'm submitting this math tutorial to Khan Academy. Today we are estimating by using rounding or by using compatible numbers. Today's story problem is that the PTA is buying ice pops for sports day. There are 18 classes and each class needs 27 ice pops. So about how many ice pops will the PTA need to buy? Well, first, when I'm reading my problem, I notice a single word about, and the single word about means that I'm going to be coming up with an estimate. I'm going to do some rounding, and the way I like to think of that is that the answer should end in a nice round zero. So when I look through my problem, I look for the important information. There are 18 classes, and there are 27 ice pops needed for each class. So I know that my operation is going to be multiplication. So I have 18 classes times 27 ice pops in each class. And again, I'm just looking for an estimate. So my first step when I'm rounding is to take a look at which number I can round to give myself an easy estimate. So I'm going to round 18 to 20 and multiply that by 27. I'm not going to round both numbers in this situation because I want my estimate to be pretty close to my actual answer. Remember, estimating is supposed to get us closer to an exact answer, to give us an idea of about where it needs to be, which is why that's my single word. I'm going to use my box out strategy to multiply here, which is something that we've done previously. I'm actually going to multiply 2 by 27. And 2 groups of 27 makes 54. So we see that I boxed 54. So now I need to take that 0 that I boxed out and I need to add that back. So my estimate here is that we're going to need about 540 ice pops. I always want to remember when I'm solving story problems that I need to add back my units. Now, using compatible numbers really just means finding numbers that are close to the actual numbers that are easier for you to multiply. So again, I'm going to take 18 and I'm going to make it 20 because multiples of 10 are the easiest for me to multiply. And then, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take that 27 and I'm going to make it 25. Because when I think of the number 25, I think of money. And it's so much easier to think of that in terms of money. When I think of 25, I think of quarters, putting those together. And I know that 2 groups of 25 makes 50. I add back that 0 that I boxed out, and that's about 500 ice pops. And my last tip for you is to remember that using compatible numbers generally takes your estimate a little further away from the actual answer, but as you can see, our estimate using rounding, 540, is still pretty close to our estimate using compatible numbers, which is 500. Just make sure that you have enough extra room.